Metal is one of the manufacturers and exporters of pipeline products in China and is capable of providing the best quality pipes, tubes, fittings, flanges, and related accessories. A flange is a disc-shaped part for connecting pipes, valves, equipment, etc. It usually has bolt holes and connects components via bolts. The main function of a flange is to provide sealing and connection to prevent leakage during operation. It works under various pressure and temperature conditions and suits the transportation of diverse fluid media. Plate flange is a common type of flange, usually made of a circular flat plate with bolt holes around. It's often used for pipe connections where two flanges are tightly connected by bolts with a sealing gasket in the middle. It can connect pipes of the same diameter or pipes with valves and equipment. Plate flanges have simple structure, are easy to manufacture and install with relatively low cost. But compared to other types of flanges, its performance under high pressure, high temperature, or extreme conditions may be relatively weak. Common materials are carbon steel, stainless steel, etc.